2. Nissan Ariya. Sleek, futuristic design meets 389 horsepower and 300-mile range, starting at $40,000. Advanced driver assistance and wireless charging make this a tech lover's dream. Number 1. BYD Seal. The performance king with 516 horsepower, 400-mile range, and 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. All this for just $35,000. Incredible value meets incredible performance. What makes 2025 special? Faster charging, longer ranges, and more affordable pricing than ever before. Plus, advanced safety features and sustainable materials in every model. 2025 is the year electric goes mainstream. Whether you want performance, practicality, or pure value, there's an electric car for you. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more electric vehicle updates.
The electric car market has evolved rapidly over the past few years, and 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year. With automakers pushing the boundaries of what's possible, electric vehicles are becoming more efficient, more stylish, and more affordable. In this video, we'll look at the top electric car models of 2025 that are set to revolutionize the industry, combining cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and performance. One of the most talked about electric vehicles in recent years, the Tesla Cybertruck, is finally hitting the roads in 2025. Up to 800 horsepower in the tri-motor version, with a range of over 500 miles and 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. With a